the FreshLight air conditioner. Like all comfortable skylights, the FreshLight air conditioner is equipped with shading and insect blinds. The remote control included with the unit makes it possible to use all the functions of the FreshLight air conditioner at the touch of a button. The cooling function can be activated on a timer control for sleeping and pre-cooling, so you can return from trips and excursions to an air-conditioned caravan. With the slider control, the flow of air can be continuously redirected from the back to the front. The heat function is activated during the transition time. A magnetic valve reverses the cooling circuit so that warmed air is emitted. The air exchange function is also activated with a remote control. Stale air is actively released into the outdoors and fresh air replaces it as a result of the forced ventilation. The light is also controlled via remote, and if it's too bright, there's even a dimming function for the LED lighting. The FreshLight air conditioner.